kids, we're going to have to tell the drone the password. To tell the drone the new password, we need to, first, hold down the mic button until this box turns green. That's not green, that's red. I said green. There we go. Then, when the box is green, say the password. After we say the password, let go of the button. Let's try. Let's see. This one says car. Okay, let's hold down the button and turn the box green. Okay, great. Keep holding down the button, man. Now, let's say the word together. Car. Then, let's let go of the button. Great job, man. We did it. Another password. But now it's your turn. Let's fix it, man.